In this segment, I'll be discussing about the electrophilic substitution reactions of amines. And we know earlier that aniline is a resonance hybrid of 5 structures. And where can we find the electron density, maximum electron density? The maximum electron density is found in ortho and para positions. Ortho and para positions to the NH2 group, they become centers of high electron density. Therefore, the NH2 group is found to be ortho and para directing, and it is a powerful activating group. First, let us discuss about bromination. Aniline reacts with bromine water at room temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. And the main problem encountered during electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic amines is that of their very high reactivity. Substitution tends to occur at ortho and para positions. If we want to have a mono substituted derivative of aniline, how will you protect the activating group? How will you protect the activating effect of NH2 group? This can be done. How it is done? Let's see the next reaction. Suppose we want to prepare, that is 4-bromoaniline. Para-bromoaniline means how will you protect the NH2 group which is found to be activating in nature? This can be done by protecting the NH2 group. This can be done by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation with acetic anhydride. Then, so here the NH2 group is protected. Then carry out the desired substitution. Here it is bromination. So bromine in acetic acid, bromine group, that is this gets, Br gets attached to the para position, desired substitution, followed by hydrolysis of the substituted amide to the substituted amine. That is, we can see this now. Hydrolysis of the substituted amide, to the substituted amine, that is 4-bromoaniline. So for getting, that is ortho-bromoaniline or para-bromoaniline, NH2 group must be protected. How it is protected? By treating with, that is by undergoing acetylation. By, that is the NH2 group undergoes acetylation with acetic anhydride, and then the desired substitution is carried out and followed by hydrolysis of the amide to the substituted amine. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen of acetanilide interacts with oxygen atom due to resonance. The lone pair of electrons on nitrogen of acetanilide interacts with oxygen atom due to resonance. Therefore, the lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom is less available for donation to benzene ring by resonance. Therefore, the activating effect of NHCOCH3 group is less than that of amino group. Now you have understood why the amino group is protected and how it is protected, why it is protected. Okay, next is nitration. Direct nitration of aniline yields tertiary oxidation products in addition to nitro derivatives. Moreover, in strongly acidic medium, that is in presence of concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4, aniline, it is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is found to be meta-directing. That is why besides the ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of meta-derivative is also formed. See, this is very important. Normally we will be getting a mixture of ortho and para products. Here in the case of aniline, we are getting meta products also. This an important question. This is because aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion, which is found to be meta-directing. Therefore, besides the ortho and para derivatives, significant amount of meta derivative is also formed. However, by protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration can be controlled and the para derivative can be obtained as the major product. Para nitroaniline can be obtained as the major product. This is para nitroacetanilide and this is para nitroaniline. This is para nitroaniline. So, if we want to get para-nitroaniline, the NH2 group must be protected, that is by acetylation with acetic anhydride, and then followed by nitration, followed by hydrolysis. Next is sulfonation. Aniline reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate. This on heating with sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 Kelvin, it produces para-amino benzene sulfonic acid, which is commonly known as sulfonilic acid. This is the major product, and we are getting the zither ion. This is the zither ion. Here, this proton gets shifted over here, and we are getting the zither ion. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is alkylation, as well as acylation, that is acetylation, due to sal formation with aluminum chloride. Aluminum chloride, the Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Because of this, due to this, the nitrogen of aniline, it acquires a positive charge and hence act as a strong deactivating group for further reaction. This is also an important question. Why aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation? This is because of sal formation with aluminum chloride, the Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst. Because of this, what happens? The nitrogen of aniline acquires a positive charge and it acts as a strong deactivating group for further reaction. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions of amines.